Meet the chaos that defines traditional dispatching. It's stressful, time-consuming, and inefficient. But what if there was a way to simplify it all? Introducing FalcoMatics, your all-in-one dispatching solution. From auto-dispatch workflows to real-time tracking and predictive analytics, FalcoMatics puts the power of smart fleet management at your fingertips. Say goodbye to inefficiency with automated dispatch management. Instantly track your fleet with live updates and route maps. Ensure compliance and safety with electronic logging device integration. And take control of your finances with seamless payment and invoicing solutions. Unlock the future with AI-powered predictive analytics. Optimize routes, reduce costs, and improve driver performance with insights tailored to your business. Stay ahead of the game with real-time alerts and OBD integration, keeping your fleet running smoothly and efficiently. Manage your inventory effortlessly. With cross-docking, multi-warehouse support, and streamlined parts management, you'll always have what you need when you need it. FalcoMatics, the smart, simple, and powerful dispatch solution designed to drive your business forward. Ready to take control? Visit FalcoMatics.com today or call us at 888-899-9885. Transform your dispatching operations with FalcoMatics.